Good afternoon, students. In this lecture, we are going to study industrial application of chemical equilibrium. Here, we will discuss Haber's process. First of all, what is the Haber's process? It is the process of formation of ammonia by using hydrogen gas and nitrogen gas at particular stoichiometric ratio by volume at optimum temperature. It is called as Haber's process. Reaction, nitrogen from air and hydrogen from natural gas are reacted by in a particular stoichiometric ratio. That means 1:3 by volume. Temperature required for this reaction is about 450 degrees Celsius, which is optimum temperature, and pressure is about 200 atmosphere. And here iron with small amount of molybdenum act as a catalyst, which increases the rate of this reaction to form gases which are cooled and ammonia turns to liquid. Sometimes some unreacted gases are recycled and liquid ammonia is the product of this reaction. It is called as Haber's process, in which ammonia is formed by using hydrogen and nitrogen. Now let us consider effect of temperature and pressure on the synthesis of ammonia. We are already discussed effect of concentration on chemical equilibrium. As concentration of nitrogen and hydrogen increases at equilibrium, that is, stress applied to the system is increase in either concentration of hydrogen or nitrogen, then forward reaction is favorable, that is, equilibrium shifted from left to right. That means yield of ammonia is increases. Then let us consider what is the effect of change in temperature or pressure on this equilibrium or a synthesis of ammonia. First, effect of temperature. Effect of temperature. Formation of ammonia is exothermic reaction. That means when nitrogen and hydrogen are reacted to form ammonia, along with ammonia here heat is evolved. That is, this reaction is exothermic. That means formation of ammonia is the forward reaction which is exothermic. Hence, lowering of temperature shift equilibrium from left to right, but at low temperature rate of reaction is very slow. Longer time would be required to form ammonia and to attain equilibrium. Therefore, here at high temperature, at low temperature reaction required greater time, and at high temperature reaction occurs rapidly, but form ammonia will be decomposed. Therefore, for this reaction it is necessary to optimum temperature. This reaction carried out at the optimum temperature about 773 Kelvin or 450 degrees Celsius. This is the optimum temperature. Effect of temperature, that is optimum temperature about 450 degrees Celsius. It is required for formation of ammonia, because at low temperature reaction is very slow, it required greater time. At high temperature reaction occurs rapidly, but form ammonia will be decomposed. Therefore, optimum temperature of about 250 degrees Celsius is required for formation of ammonia in the Haber's process. Then effect of pressure. Effect of pressure. Pressure or a volume, because we know that according to ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT, P is equal to N upon V into RT, where R and T are constants. Therefore, P is directly proportional to N and inversely proportional to V, where P is the pressure of the gases, N is the number of moles, and V is the volume of gas. That means as pressure increases, volume of the gases decreases. Pressure decreases, volume increases, because it has inverse relationship between them, and pressure is directly proportional to number of moles. That is, number of moles increases, pressure of the reaction also increases. Therefore, in this reaction, forward reaction occurs with 1 mole of nitrogen and 3 mole of hydrogen to form 2 mole of ammonia. That is, forward reaction occurs with decrease in number of moles. Forward reaction occurs with decrease in number of moles, and reverse reaction occurs with 2 moles to 4 moles, that is increase in number of moles. Therefore, forward reaction is favored with high pressure. If high pressure is applied to the reaction at equilibrium, then forward reaction is favorable at a high pressure, because it is proceed with decrease in number of moles from 4 mole to 2 mole. It increases the yield of ammonia. But at high pressure, catalyst becomes inefficient. Which catalyst is used in this reaction? Iron in presence of small quantity of molybdenum is the catalyst for this reaction. At high pressure, forward reaction becomes favorable, because it is occurs with decrease in number of moles, and it increases the yield of ammonia. But at high pressure, catalyst becomes inefficient. Therefore, optimum pressure of 200 atmosphere, optimum pressure of 200 atmosphere is the best for this reaction or the formation of ammonia by using Haber's process. This is all about industrial application of chemical equilibrium, that is formation of ammonia by using Haber's process. For multiple choice question, one question will be asked, what is the name of the process of formation of ammonia? Industrially, ammonia is prepared by using Haber's process, in which nitrogen from the air and hydrogen from the natural gases are reacted in a particular stoichiometric ratio, that is 1:3 volume of nitrogen and hydrogen, in presence of optimum temperature, that is 250 degrees Celsius, and optimum pressure, that is 200 atmospheric pressure, and catalyst is the iron in presence of small amount of molybdenum. It acts as a catalyst for this reaction to form ammonia. This is all about chemical equilibrium.